Hi guys, welcome to day 7 of the Tenor Sax series on Band Potato. Today we are actually learning a new song called Merrily We Roll Along. Kind of like Mary Had a Little Lamb, pretty sure same thing, probably a knockoff. You're just going to follow along with me. You have your book. Miss Snyder will probably put a little image up top, which actually will have the notes. You should have a metronome on you, but I'm going to set the tempo at the beginning and then we're going to play together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. I hope you did pretty good right there. I hope you followed along. Now I'm actually going to play the harmony while you play the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Running out of breath over here. I'm sure that was amazing. That was awesome. That's Merrily We Roll Along. A little bit of a tongue twister, but you got it. That's your second song. Awesome.